President Drupadi Murmu today inaugurated centenary celebration of ICAR, National Institute of Secondary Agriculture at Nampung in Ranchi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a 3-day visit to US from 21st to 23rd of September. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has asserted that the government has decided to uproot MEGHALAYA and the idea of MEGHALAYA from the country before March 2026. Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai today asked the 76 RR batch passing out IPS probationer officers to understand the new criminal laws and work towards preventing the crime instead of punishing criminals. Union Food Minister Pralhad Joshi has said that the issue of the presence of animal fat in Tirupati temple's laddus, which was raised by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, is a serious matter.